everyone, all mentor, because during my duty 24 hours of this good condition and good condition. Alhamdulillah, because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala gave a good condition, good health, so we can carry out the morning master today. I have art space for all my cadets. One, about the knowledge. You know, now very hard competition for join is a good company or foreign shipping company. All maritime school increase to level to be the polytechnic. Barombong, Padang, Aceh, Sorong increase and change to be the polytechnic. Of course, certificate issue from the school will be increased from engineer or officer class 4 increased to be the engineer or officer class 3. This means the certificate possible to be the engineer or officer unlimited in ocean going. Same why your certificate. That's why you must prepare your English, your knowledge. If you want to competition, why from the another school? You know, if you want to join a good company, you must be follow the written test, interview test, maybe about the 4 times, all in English, not Indonesia. That's why I hope all prepare yourself about the knowledge. In your class, please not only do sleeping. If in your class no have the lecturer of instructor, please your study by in yourself. Not problem, you're sleeping about 2 hours. I am also like this when I am in college. But I use my time 4 hours for study. Never mind, not my lecturer, not coming also my instructor, but I use my time 4 hours or 3 hours for study, and also I sleep 1 hour. It's okay. All cadets, that's why one more, I hope, please study hard, because now very hard competition for joy. If you good knowledge, a good skill, I think you want to join is a good company and foreign shipping company. In second, about the loyalty. Loyalty or Indonesian loyalitas. You know, our campus this year, one company not coming in our campus for recruitment cadet. This one highlight. Why? Because our generation from our school don't have a good loyalty. Because in her only salary, money. So he thinking for join in another company. He not thinking her junior. So I want to give about your future, about the importance, about the loyalty. For example, about the 2 months ago, Meratus company come to our campus for recruitment cadet. He want to recruitment cadet about the 30, but many cadets not interested for joining in this company. You know, Emiratus or Indonesian company also very good for your future. For example, first time after your graduation in your campus, you direct to be the 3rd officer or 3rd engineer. Maybe your salary only the 7 million or 5 million. But after you join in this company about the 5 years, and your age still the 27, you want to be promoted by the senior officer or senior engineer, and maybe for foreign shipping management, you want to be the manager in office. In this time, you still 27, you can find the salary about the 25 million. Ya? Di perusahaan Indonesia, adik-adik juga bisa mendapatkan gaji 25 juta dengan umur 27. if you have a good loyalty in Indonesian company. Foreign shipping company, of course, unlimited. So maybe another cadet only join in Indonesian company. So please have a good loyalty. So for a good name our campus and also for junior. Not only thinking by in yourself. I am also during after I am graduation in this campus, I also have a good loyalty in Jacindo Korean or Japan or Korean company. If you want to join there, of course, you must have a good loyalty, a good knowledge, and a good attitude. And the three, you must have a good attitude. Sikap. Why? I look now, the cadet, the increased morality and mentality. If semester 1, semester 2 is okay, but after you, semester 3, I look, cadet not give the hand salute to the lecturer, instructor, and senior. This big problem now, because if you want to join is a good company, or Korea, for example, in Korean shipping company, you don't have a good attitude, you don't have give the greeting, while your chief engineer or your captain, maybe only one day you on board and you sign off. Maybe you have a good knowledge and you have a good attitude, but you don't have greeting, you don't have a good attitude on board. Also, you also sign off in a Korean company or Japan company. But Indonesian company maybe is okay. Maybe you say suku but foreign people cannot like this. So please give the hand salute to all instructor, mentor, and your senior and another, and also a staff academic all PIP Makassar. If cleaning service or security also give good morning sir, good morning ma'am. Understand? Yes. All civitas academic, cleaning service also good morning sir, good morning ma'am, all. Because this will be create your character not only in your campus but after you in your home. I am also why my next board I also like this. Good morning sir, good morning ma'am. So he understand I am from PIP Makassar. Feel this for good name our campus. So I have a choice for you. The importance of knowledge, one, so please you study hard, loyalty and attitudes. And last, of course, taqwa to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because all cadet will die. So prepare also, because I think we believe we have life after death. I think this is now. Thank you very much for your attention. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Battalion, attention!
The call of honor that teaches today is spread together according to belief and religion. Praise begin. Praise Jehovah.